Come, girls.
Winifred, I told you not to take that turn.
Oh, Mary, be quiet. I don't want to hear about it. No, will you stop complaining? Now, I told you that you were not supposed to be eating all that food. Do you remember that?
No, I
said to stay away
don't.
from the beef. You never listen to me. Every time I tell you to do not do that, you don't listen.
I don't appreciate when you talk to me like this, Winifred.
Sarah. Oh. Why, hello there. Come along. In 300 years, right down to the day, now the witches are back! And there's hell to pay. I put a spell on you, and now you're... There you are. My.
Now the witches are back. Stone cold sinners, as a matter of fact. I'm a witch, but I'm better than you. Watch the winner die, that's the way they die. Whoa. Now the witches are back. Stone cold knees, as a matter of fact. Now the witches are coming for you. With the spells that we cast. Oh, this tempo is fast. Whoa. I say, enter pie, alpha maybe up and die. I say, enter pie, alpha maybe up and die. In Kamakoriyama. Hey, hey, hi, hi, ho. Fight, Truya, and even witches brew ya. We're going to brew ya, and Yupa Dupa do ya. We're gonna slay ya, and probably fillet ya. It might upset ya, but we'll get ya.
Sisters! Hello, darlings. Come, don't down, come.
Dear Winifred.
We're back. Girls, aren't you thrilled to be here? Yes, and so are you. Woo! Now listen up. We will run wild and so reviled, raising Cain until we got exiled. But times have changed and now I'm on the attack. Yeah, the spell is gonna hit you 'cause the witches are back. Whoa! Woo! Sisters! Yeah, the witches are back. Stone cold sinners, as a matter of fact. A witch, better than you. What's the way that we fly? That's the way that you'll die. Oh yeah, darling. Whoa! One time. Yeah, the witches are back. Stone cold me, that's a matter of fact. Yeah, the witches are coming for you. The stars we climb, the tempo is fast. I'm exhausted now. Oh yeah, but that's the greatest story. The witches are back. Oh my god. Sistaaas! Oh, that's too much. Sistaaas. Oh! Dear, that's not right either.